If I sound nasally, it's because I am. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a quick little review. So today's video is going to be a full review on the brand spanking new Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Concealer, which are these right here. You guys know me and Drugstore are like BFFs, so I decided, and I actually asked you guys, again, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, what you doing? Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I will have all my social medias linked down below. I'm always asking you guys because honestly, this channel is about you and it is all for you. So whatever you guys want to see, you will see here if you request it. I asked you guys if you wanted to see a dedicated review on, again, this concealer, and I think it was like a 90% that you guys voted yes, and then it was like 17% that said no. So I was like, okay, that's what we're gonna do. Whew, I can't breathe. I'm like out of breath because my nose is so congested. I'm actually getting really bad like allergy attacks. I don't know what it is, but they need to go. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? It is free 99 to subscribe. Also turn on your little bell, your little campanita notification to stay updated with all my videos so you don't ever miss any videos. I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight onto this review. I seriously hate sounding so nasally, but you guys are just gonna have to bear with me. Okay, so again, Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage up to 24 hours concealer. That is a bold claim. This is the packaging. Now these are available currently at Target. You can also find them on Amazon. I'm not sure when they will be available at Ulta and at Walmart, but Target currently has them. So I ended up picking up two shades because I wasn't sure which one I wanted to use. So I picked up a light, medium, and sand Sable. Now if you guys are familiar with Maybelline, Maybelline has the Fit Me concealer, and they actually have a shade that's called Sand Sable, and that concealer used to be my jam, my go-to for so many years when I first started my YouTube channel. And as time has progressed, as I've tried different brands, different formulas, different everything, I've realized that that concealer actually sucks. It's super watery, and I started noticing that it really irritated my under eye area, like it was burning. If you guys know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comment section down below. So this one claims to really cover pretty much any discoloration underneath your eyes. It even has like little befores and afters here. So we're gonna see, we're gonna really put that to the test because I know it's hard to tell because I have so many like lights and stuff and diffusers that make my skin look amazing. But my under eyes are a little bit on the darker side. I feel like my insomnia like is slowly trying to creep back into my life, but she's not invited. Also, this claims to be waterproof, transfer resistant, smudge resistant, and long-lasting transformation. So this little baby retails for $9.99, and it comes with 12 different shades, which is like 12 different shades really isn't a lot. Foundation is on, and seriously, if you have not tried this foundation, try it. For the price, you cannot go wrong. Full coverage, all day wear, mattifying, beautiful finish. I love this. I'm quickly going to apply a little bit of chapstick because my lips are a little bit dry. And isn't this like the cutest thing? Look at this. It's a little owl. I got it from C Color Cosmetics. I love it. What I think I'm gonna do is maybe try it on one eye and then maybe the other one on the other eye. I'm not sure. I did try Sand Sable already, and I really like this. It has slight yellow undertones. So if you like your concealer, I was gonna say conditioner. If you like your concealer to be a little bit on the yellow undertone side, that is going to be your shade. So actually, let's do a quick little swatch. Again, this is Sand Sable 20. So as you can see, it does have slight yellow undertones. And PS, I really like the packaging. I think it's really cute. It's like a little squeezy tube, but when you open it, it has a paddle shaped type of applicator, which I personally love because it's a little bit flexible, so it's perfect for getting underneath the eyes and really getting into the crease or this inner corner. And then what is this? Light medium. And light medium is obviously a lot lighter, and it is a little bit more cool toned. It's not as yellow as Sand Sable. So I don't know, I think if you actually mix them both, you can get a really pretty finish. But for the sake of this video, I don't know, I might mix them, I might not, I might apply one in one eye, I'm not sure. Sand Sable. And I am going to use the same amount that I normally would. And I know this seems like a lot, but I'm mainly dragging the concealer. I'm not really like double dipping. Just like that. We're gonna see how good of a job it does at like filling this part in and really the darkness underneath the eyes. I wouldn't say that this concealer is actually like full coverage. If you guys can see, like my skin is still peeking through a little bit. So full coverage, I don't know that I agree with that. Medium coverage, yes. I'm gonna go in with light medium and just go over it right here to see if it actually does a good job at layering. Second layer definitely gave me the coverage that I was looking for. This is very easy to blend out. It is rather creamy, and it's not like a shiny finish, so it's probably like a semi-matte. And you guys see a difference between how the concealer covered. I'm not mad at the coverage, but I don't, like I said, I don't agree that it's full coverage. You definitely have to go back a second time to really get your eyes nice and bright and covered. But even then, like looking at myself in the mirror, do you guys, I'm gonna point it out with the concealer, but right here, which is where I have this bag right here, as I'm looking at myself, I can still see like my veins, like discoloration. So I don't know, I might do another little coverage, I don't know. But let's do this eye. If you have really dark circles, I would personally recommend for you to probably color correct first and then go in and conceal with this, because I really do like the formula. I like how easy it is to blend out, and it's not like patchy, streaky, or anything. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and dot it on the forehead. Okay, that is much better. I'm quickly going to bake using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in light medium, which is actually the same concealer shade as this one. Looking at my under eyes, now that I have baked, I've also done a little bit of bronzing and a little bit of highlight. Do I need to let my hair down because it's still wet? I just got in the shower. So yeah, my hair is still wet. But anyway, okay, so here's the thing. These concealers are definitely not full coverage. So if you are expecting for these to be full coverage, they're not. The only issue that I have is that I'm not a fan of the formula. I just personally don't like it. If you like a lighter wearing concealer, a lighter coverage concealer, then I think you're gonna like this. I am not gonna do the rest of my face. I'm just going to end the video like this because we're actually gonna go watch The Lion King tonight. Oh my god, you guys, I am so excited. Lion King is one of my favorite movies growing up, aside from Aladdin, which we did go see, and I absolutely loved it. So I am gonna do, well, I'm gonna try to do a really cute makeup inspired by Lion King. That's why I didn't want to do like the rest of my makeup on camera. But I don't hate it. I really don't. I don't hate the concealer. I don't love it either though. It can depend on the person. If you have dark circles like me and you need more coverage, this is not going to be the concealer for you, because I did have to go over it almost 3 times in order for me to get coverage, and that's excessive. Like, I don't want to do that with my concealer. But I do like the packaging. I like the applicator. I do like how lightweight it is. I forgot to point that out, but it's very lightweight on the eyes. Even me doing 3 layers of concealer, like, it still doesn't feel heavy on the eyes, and it does wear really nicely. I don't know. I guess I'm not crazy about the formula. I mean, just, you know, those are my 2 cents, and take it as you will. It is only $10, and if you can find your shade and if you want to try it, try it. There's nothing wrong with trying it. I'm just here to review products for you guys and to let you know the tea, and it's okay. Again, I don't love it, but I don't hate it. That is it for me, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review on the new Maybelline Super Stay 24-Hour Concealer, which, who would wear concealer for 24 hours? Like, not me personally, but if you want to wear it for 24 hours, we ain't judging. Thank you guys so much for joining me today on this new drugstore review. I hope you guys found something new, and let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are going to be picking this product up or if it's going to be a no-go for you guys. If you guys want to check out the rest of my videos, I will have them listed somewhere on the screen. Also, make sure that you're subscribed so you never miss any of my videos. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!